Hello children, today we are going to study lesson number 9, recreation, lesson number 9, recreation for health. Okay? Children, nowadays in today's world, we are just running here and there. We are so busy in our lives to earn our living. We are running here and there for one or the other thing. We have no time for ourselves. And we have no time to look after our health also. But if we are not well, if we are not healthy, we will not be able to work, or we will not be able to do anything. And we don't even get time to relax ourselves. We are only working and working 24/7. But that is not good. So children, recreation. Recreation means what? Recreation means enjoyment or relaxing ourselves when we are not working, and that is very important for our health. Okay, so this only we are going to study in this chapter. So let's start. Open page number 37. We live in an age of globalization. Now globalization means what? Globalization means spread of technology, jobs, means professions, information, products all over the, means across the nation borders or cultures, we can say. When every country is sharing the same thing, that known as globalization. The invention of computers, internet, mobiles and fast means of travel by air has reduced distance and made the world smaller. So nowadays, see, everyone is just a phone call away. If your parents or if your relatives are in somewhere even outside the country, suppose they are in America or any other foreign countries, it's in like previous times, earlier times, it was very difficult to contact. But now what happens? We just make a call, you just make a WhatsApp call and you can talk to them. You make a video call, you can even see them. So world has become so small now, right? And if you see today's time also, the COVID time also, see, you are not coming to school, but still you have not missed a single day of school right from April to the day today, because with the help of these smartphones you are able to see all the lectures of all the teachers. So there is no loss of study also, and this is with the help of technology, isn't it? So technology has helped us in a lot of way. Only the smartest people can survive in this highly competitive world. Yes, it means we have to update ourselves in everything. If we don't update ourselves, then we'll be very back in this new era. So we have to keep updating ourselves so that we are able to survive in this high-tech world. Man is eager to assert himself to ensure a position in society for himself. As a result, one does not find time for rest or recreation to refresh oneself. And we are so busy in working that we don't have time for ourselves. We don't have time to relax ourselves, to enjoy ourselves. Recreation is any activity that leads to relaxation and happiness. People in the big cities are fortunate to have a large number of means of recreation. So recreation means what? Means entertainment, that is recreation. And we are very happy when we do the work that we like. People who live in big cities have a lot of things for recreation. They can go to clubs, they can go to parks, they can go to any hotels, they can go for playing, So there are a lot of things are there by which they can enjoy themselves. There are clubs of laughter, yes, where people gather in public parks and laugh. They laugh for no apparent reason. They laugh loud, heartily. You must have seen some, especially in the morning times, of old people, they get together and they laugh loudly. So they are not just crazy people. They are not just laughing like that. They know that this laughter is a good medicine, and this laughter is going to help them in their breathing problems. What happens when you laugh? all the muscles inside works strongly, and it removes any kind of blockage. If there is any windpipe, if there any kind of blockage is there, so it removes the blockage and the air passage gets clearer, so it is easy for them to breathe. So they know that laughter is very good for them. They are not crazy people, they are very serious about their laughter. These are people who have come to know that laughter is good tonic for health. They begin the day with their wholehearted laughter. This opens out blockage in their lungs, allows them a free passage of air, besides easing out all sort of tension. So that what just now what I explained, that it opens the air passage, it clears the windpipe, and it helps them to breathe, because they are old people, so they have breathing problems, so it helps them to breathe easily. And also when they get together, they are laughing. They're not laughing for any reason, just that they are laughing, so it eases out the tension also. Even without any reason, if you laugh and laugh and laugh, you feel very good from inside, right? So this get together also gives them an opportunity to exchange their views freely. See, they are old people, they are not going to any job and all the day sitting alone at home is not, they feel very sick from inside. So when they are meeting their same age kind of people, so they exchange their feelings, they exchange their views, so that is a very relaxing time for them. So that is a means of recreation for them. Some people play table tennis for recreation, some play poker or card games, some play pool, billiards or carom. So different type of games are there in which people can play and they can enjoy themselves. There are people who sing for recreation, some others listen to music for recreation, some people dance or do aerobics. So not only playing games, people who are good at singing, they just sing and they feel very good from inside. And some people, they loves dancing, they dance and do the recreation. And some people, they just listen to the music and they feel very relaxing. So there are different ways by which you can enjoy yourself and make yourself feel relaxed. Some people just have a walk for recreation. They go in twos or threes and converse with each other. Some people just sit and meditate. Some people spend time in reading. So children, it's not like some people like to walk. So they just go for walking. They go with their friends or relatives, family members in 2 or 3 numbers. They keep walking. It is good for health also. It is a very good exercise, and they keep talking and all. So it is their enjoyment also. And some people like reading, so they spend their time in reading. Reading is a very good habit. If you live near a river or the sea, you have an excellent opportunity to relax. Sitting near the sea of mighty waters and watching the waves is a good recreation. So those who live on the coastal areas, they are fortunate enough, they are lucky to just sit on the sea beach and they can see the sea waves coming and going. That is a very relaxing view, and it can relax you a lot. And similarly watching mountains, valleys and green fields in the natural surroundings has a soothing effect on the body and mind and body. As those who live on hill stations, they can just sit and watch mountains and valleys and all greenery that surrounds them. That is also gives soothing effect. That soothing means relaxing effect on them. Okay. Sports and games are a good means of recreation for mind and body. Sports and games are also very good for health as well as physically as well as mentally. They create competitive spirit among children and youth. Spirit of competition helps them to excel in different activities. So children nowadays don't go outside to play, they just sit inside the house, and they obviously now COVID times it is different thing, but other than this I am talking normal time also. And nowadays children, they don't go out to play, they just sit inside the house and they play games on mobiles, they watch TV. That is not good, children. You should go out and play, because playing makes you healthy, and when you're playing with other children, that develops a kind of competition among you, and that is very good for your future life. Watching television is indeed a recreation. It helps you learn a number of new things. However, children have choices to select educational programs they wish to watch rather than any other entertainment program. See, watching television is not bad. You can watch television, but do not watch television for a longer time. It can strain your eyes also. And secondly, if you're watching television, you should watch something that gives you knowledge, some educational programs you can watch rather than watching some entertaining program that doesn't give you any knowledge. Sitting without activity for long before television can damage both your eyesight and health. It also wastes your valuable time of learning. All kinds of recreation makes you happy and healthy. So sitting before television for a long time can damage your eyesight, and it also wastes your time, because in that period you can do something more valuable. So children, every kind of recreation gives you entertainment. It makes you feel happy. Laugh heartily, enjoy life and be healthy. The nation needs healthy and happy citizens. Yes children, it's not like only you are studying and working and not doing anything for your fun. That is not correct. You study, you do your work on time, but you should take out time for yourself. You should do the things which you like and that makes you feel good. Develop some kind of good hobby that you can use in your leisure time, and you can do something creative that will make you feel good and that will make you feel relaxed, and which is very good for health. So I hope you have understood the chapter, and exercise part and question answers you will get as PDF. Thank you.